Wood has a timeless appeal that brings warmth, sophistication, and a sense of nature into any space. When incorporated into office interiors, it creates an environment that fosters productivity, creativity, and a feeling of comfort. Unlike cold, sterile workspaces filled with metal and plastic, wood offers a natural, organic atmosphere that enhances focus and well-being. Whether used in furniture, wall paneling, ceilings, or decorative elements, wood can completely transform an office into an elegant, inviting, and functional space. One of the most striking aspects of wood in office design is its versatility. It can be crafted into modern, minimalist pieces with clean lines and smooth finishes, or it can be used in rustic, industrial designs with rough textures and reclaimed materials. The beauty of wood lies in its ability to blend seamlessly with any interior style. Whether you prefer a sleek, contemporary office with light wood tones or a classic, executive-style workspace with rich, dark wood, the possibilities are endless. Wooden office furniture is one of the easiest ways to introduce this natural material into your workspace. A solid wood desk, for instance, not only serves as a functional centerpiece but also adds a sense of prestige and durability. Unlike synthetic materials which can wear out quickly, wood ages beautifully, developing character over time. Whether it's oak, walnut, maple, or teak, each type of wood brings its own unique charm to office furniture. Beyond desks, wooden shelving and storage solutions provide both aesthetics and practicality. Open wooden bookshelves create a warm, inviting feel, especially when combined with decorative items like plants, books, or carefully chosen accessories. Cabinets and drawers made from wood add a refined touch while keeping the workspace organized. Even filing cabinets, often overlooked in design, can be crafted from wood to maintain a cohesive, stylish look. For offices looking to make a bold statement, wooden wall paneling is an excellent choice. Wood-paneled walls bring texture, depth, and a sense of luxury to a workspace. Whether you opt for vertical wooden slats for a modern look, reclaimed wood panels for a rustic vibe, or intricate geometric wood patterns for an artistic touch, the impact is undeniable. These panels can be used to highlight an executive office, a conference room, or even an accent wall in a shared workspace. Ceilings are another overlooked area where wood can make a significant impact. Wooden beam ceilings, for example, add character and architectural interest to an office. If a full beam ceiling isn't feasible, wooden ceiling panels or decorative wooden grids can achieve a similar effect. This design choice not only enhances aesthetics but also helps with acoustics, making the office quieter and more comfortable. Wooden flooring is another way to incorporate natural beauty into office interiors. Hardwood floors bring a sense of warmth and sophistication, making the workspace feel more welcoming. They are durable, easy to maintain, and can be refinished over time, making them a long-term investment. If solid hardwood is not an option, engineered wood or high-quality laminate with wood textures can provide a similar aesthetic without the cost. For a more subtle yet effective approach, wooden decor elements can add charm to an office space. Wooden desk organizers, pen holders, picture frames, and light fixtures all contribute to a cohesive, elegant design. Even small touches, like a wooden wall clock or handcrafted wooden sculptures, can enhance the overall ambience of the workspace. These details may seem minor, but they create a significant impact when combined. One of the best aspects of using wood in office interiors is its sustainability. Many companies today are focusing on eco-friendly design choices, and wood is one of the most sustainable materials available. Responsibly sourced wood, reclaimed timber, or bamboo offer environmentally conscious options that reduce carbon footprints while maintaining style and functionality. Modern offices also benefit from biophilic design, which integrates natural elements like wood, plants, and natural lighting to create a healthier, more inspiring work environment. Studies have shown that exposure to natural materials, including wood, can reduce stress, boost mood, and improve productivity. When employees feel connected to nature, they are more engaged, creative, and focused. Open-concept workspaces can also benefit from wooden partitions. Instead of traditional cubicles, wooden dividers made from slats or panels create a sense of separation while maintaining an open, airy feel. These partitions can be movable or built-in, offering flexibility in office layout without sacrificing style. Conference rooms are another great area to incorporate wood. A beautifully crafted wooden conference table instantly becomes the focal point of the space, setting the tone for professionalism and elegance. Pairing it with leather or fabric chairs creates a balanced, comfortable meeting space. Wooden wall accents or built-in shelves can further enhance the room, making it both functional and visually appealing. Reception areas often set the first impression for clients and visitors. A wooden reception desk adds a welcoming, sophisticated touch. Pairing it with wooden wall accents, pendant lights, or natural textures creates a cohesive and inviting entrance. This combination conveys a sense of professionalism and warmth, making guests feel comfortable from the moment they step inside. For home offices, wood offers a way to create a cozy yet professional workspace. A wooden desk, paired with floating wooden shelves and a comfortable chair, instantly elevates the design. Warm wood tones combined with soft lighting and minimal decor create an environment that encourages focus while maintaining a relaxed atmosphere. Another exciting trend in modern office design is the use of reclaimed wood. This not only gives old wood a new purpose but also adds character and history to the space. Reclaimed wood desks, shelves, and paneling bring a rustic, lived-in feel that contrasts beautifully with sleek modern elements. This approach blends old and new, creating a workspace that feels unique and inspiring. Even in high-tech offices, wood balances the cold, metallic look of computers and screens. By incorporating wooden elements, you can create a workspace that feels more human and inviting. The contrast between modern technology and natural wood adds a sophisticated yet approachable aesthetic. Lighting also plays a crucial role in showcasing wooden elements in an office. Pendant lights with wooden finishes, wooden desk lamps, or integrated LED lighting in wooden panels all highlight the beauty of the material. The warm glow of lighting enhances the richness of wood, making the space feel even more comfortable and refined. Wood-based office designs are not limited to traditional workplaces. They also work beautifully in co-working spaces, creative studios, and even cafes that double as work hubs. The adaptability of wood allows it to fit various settings, from corporate offices to more relaxed, casual work environments. A workspace transformed, the lasting impact of wood interior design. Wood interior design for offices is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space that feels comfortable, inspiring, and highly functional. A well-designed office should do more than just provide a place to work. It should enhance productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. Wood, with its natural warmth, versatility, and durability, brings a human touch to an environment that might otherwise feel cold or impersonal. Unlike sterile office environments filled with metal, glass, and artificial lighting, wood adds a natural, grounding element. Studies have shown that natural materials like wood can help reduce stress levels, boost concentration, and even improve mood. This is because wood has an innate ability to make a space feel more organic and connected to nature, which in turn fosters a more relaxed and productive mindset. Whether used in furniture, wall treatments, decorative accents, or architectural elements, wood has the power to elevate the ambience of any workspace. Its rich textures and earthy tones create a sense of balance, helping to reduce stress and improve focus. This is why so many businesses and professionals are turning to wood as a key element in their office design, because it fosters an environment where people actually enjoy working. Additionally, wood is an incredibly versatile material, making it suitable for a wide range of office styles. For those who prefer a sleek, modern workspace, smooth, polished wood surfaces with clean lines can create a sophisticated, minimalist atmosphere. On the other hand, for those who love a cozy, rustic charm, reclaimed wood with its raw textures and imperfections can bring warmth and character to the office. The ability to customize wood to fit any design aesthetic is what makes it such a timeless choice. Another major advantage of incorporating wood into office design is its durability and sustainability. Unlike synthetic materials that wear out quickly or go out of style, wood ages beautifully, gaining depth and character over time. Choosing wood from sustainable sources such as reclaimed or FSC-certified timber ensures that your office remains eco-friendly while maintaining an upscale, professional look. Companies that prioritize sustainability in their office design not only contribute to environmental conservation but also send a strong message about their values and commitment to responsible practices. Beyond its immediate aesthetic and functional benefits, wood is also an investment in quality, longevity, and timeless beauty. It's a material that ages gracefully, gaining character over time and contributing to a workspace that evolves rather than deteriorates. With options ranging from minimalist modern to rustic charm or even bold, artistic statements, wood can be tailored to match any design vision or corporate identity. A well-designed office is not just about efficiency, it's about creating an experience. Employees who work in a thoughtfully designed space are more likely to feel motivated, inspired, and engaged in their daily tasks. Wood, with its ability to evoke a sense of warmth, professionalism, and creativity, plays a vital role in this. It is not just about filling an office with furniture. It's about creating an environment that is welcoming, motivating, and uniquely yours. Whether in a home office or a corporate headquarters, integrating wood into the design ensures that your workspace is not only functional but also inviting, inspiring, and built to stand the test of time. If you want an office that blends modern efficiency with the timeless beauty of nature, then wood is the perfect material to achieve that balance.